Hello everyone, last time in the video we did until the E line. Now we're going to do the remaining part starting from E line until the SIR or something. This is Jamaica Van V-White. More of Jamaica Street or something. That was the R160. This is if the announcements are like, this is an E-mobile runabout train. The next stop is Flushing Street. A train is coming.
Say something.
And the train is stopping here. Yeah, and there seems to be no conductors in this line.
Which line is
The
this?
train, this is the E line. Almost done with the line.
Now?
6th Avenue line, BDFM. This is the B line. I do not know why they unnecessarily put the emergency brakes. And I think this is the station, Atlantic Avenue. A person is going in a train or something. With that lighting, I can confirm it is a R100C. I think that's called an R14. Yeah, I knew it. It's a train copy of the R62 found on the B line. And I kind of know much about the Mitchell Avenue line since I played a video game of it on Roblox. And this is a station on the Manhattan. The train is moving back to the next station. And the train also looks a bit small. Yeah, this is iPhone. And I kind of know some things about the R62 as their funny announcements, like the delayed announcement, which is like Bryant Park is this station. This station is Bryant Park.
Is it underground? So
Yes.
Dark.
Because you're looking at the tunnel. Is that a R211A, that R160?
I think this is underground.
How do you... It's overground. They just recorded this at night.
Okay.
That's the F train. This is the F line. And this line also used to have a technical error of some emergencies. We still have lots to go. Okay, bye. We're going to do the next part in part 3.